Right, camping trip. There's Pete.
What's that?
Camping trip. Here's Pete. There's his bike. We're going to do some miles today. And yes, it's the Patron camping trip. Something that I do, well, I've done twice now. We'll meet up with some others later, but some people have cancelled unfortunately, so we won't be seeing everyone today. Right, off we go.
Going to a bike rally, it's all rat bikes. So
Yeah, that is definitely a rat bike.
Weird and wonderful.
The ammo crate panniers must weigh a ton as well.
No, they don't.
You don't feel it?
No.
Okay.
No different than a fairing on there.
That's pretty good.
In fact, the fairing's probably heavier.
Yeah. That's
Bizarre
true, it's
VFR.
lovely, isn't it? You know, enjoy the rest of the trip.
I do.
Yeah.
Got a bug in the eye.
Someone like you.
Can't believe it, we're so close to the campsite. Oh, got him. Just,
You right?
yeah, got him. Little bugger.
Bloody stowaways.
I know, no free rides. I was like, oh, did I get a bug in the eye? And then I'm like, yeah, I did. I can just, I was like, if I don't get it out now, my eye's gonna go red.
Do we need to turn around?
No, we don't, we're going the right way. 2 miles and a bit, 2.5 miles. We have arrived. We have arrived. Right then, I guess do the most important thing. Let's do a beer run and get some cold beers. So hopefully when Phil gets here, he can have one beer before he goes to bed. Aha, we have a Phil. We have a Phil. Just going through the gap. Right. Off we go, we've got the day for it anyway.
Still got here, and a reasonable time, so we managed to have a beer and stuff like that. I slept quite well, everyone else had snoring, and now we're going off to explore. We've had a bit of a fuel leak, but we think we've sorted it. But yeah, it's going to be a good day. The sun's shining, it should be lovely. Awesome.
Can you pass me my puck, please?
I can indeed.
Slider win. Right then. Come on. of the cutlery is very nice, very weighted. These are kings. They're quite. These are quite dear though, and these are quite decent cups because they don't stain. Like if you go with cheap cups, they stain really easily and they're really hard to get the coffee stains out.
I think my ones are like that just because
they're just cheap ones. Yeah. So it's good food and good quality utensils.
Yeah, brilliant food. Well impressed with that.
Yeah, I'm really impressed with the utensils as well.
Or your video.
Quality cutlery. Yeah, quality. I would have shown you the food I had, but I was too hungry because I wanted to eat it. So, how'd you like the ride? How'd you like the ride so far?
It's awesome, mate. It's awesome. Now, can you just get rid of all the other cars?
Got the nice weather.
Okay, one out of 2 is good.
Okay. Beeline. Oh, okay. It's getting hot now. It's like a sun trap here. Yeah. Oh, we're on now. It feels like we're in a sun trap. Are we in Wales? I can't see any clouds. I reckon they just tell us that Wales is horrible weather, stop people coming here.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. That's an old bike. What is that? The old truck? What is that? Truck? No, BMW. Rotax 650. Whew. VFR's playing up a little bit. I'm not sure what's wrong. Could be a few things. Doesn't seem to be down in power. Slight hesitation and using a lot more fuel. Well, let's go to the campsite, I guess, and hopefully it gets me home.
Sausages on the burger. Stack it.
Oh yeah, double meat.
Stack
So
it up.
once my printer goes out of warranty.
Effects.
Yeah.
Talking to the smoke.
Pyrotechnics.
Facebook shit.
Oh, you need to update every social media possible.
Oh yeah.
Hang on.
Look.
Back, so I'm just filming the outro here because I didn't really want to film it too much on the bike. I didn't really want to keep starting and stopping the bike. I kind of just wanted to get home because the bike was running a little bit weird near the end. So it was all right and it got me home pretty good time. So nothing really too majorly wrong, I don't think. Maybe it's just a little carb issue, but I'll save that for another video. But yeah, thank you very much to patrons and the supporters of the channel. It's been about 2 years now. The patrons have been some of the patrons have been subscribed to me for a good almost 2 years, which is crazy because this is the second one. So about a year and a half. Some of these people have been given me money at least. Thank you again, like Hippodrones and Phil480 for coming along. Shame a couple of others backed out last minute. But that's the way it goes. Last year we had a better turnout. This year we had an alright turnout. Small, 3 of us, which was alright. Next year, who knows what I'll do next year. We'll see what happens. But yeah, that was a nice little camping weekend. It's a shame that a couple of people couldn't make it, but you know, I guess things do get in the way. Bikes break down, life stuff happens. But hopefully I can make people who missed it, maybe I'll do something later on in the year. We'll see. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you're a patron or you would like to become a patron, it's up to you. I'm not really forcing you. I mean, the money just goes to fund my crazy adventures on cubs or bike builds or something. But if you are a patron, you don't get a lot. You really don't. But you can have a look at the route. I will post a link on the Patreon page of the route that we took on the day. So if you do fancy doing a little ride or something in the future, there's a good day's ride around that area to do. Sort of any sort of bike, but I do recommend a slightly bigger bike to enjoy the roads, although some of it is 40 mile an hour all the time, but it doesn't really matter. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. If you did enjoy the video, drop it a like, leave a comment, whatever. And I'll catch you in the next video, whatever that will be, probably me taking apart the VFR or something. Goodbye.